were looking for a shade that would give us solid coverage or slats. And we found these shades that are called zebra shades. They're super cool. They're controlled by this chain. And so it functions like a normal chain, but you can get both like a normal shade that has louvers. This gives you both solid, and if you go slow like that, split, so you can see you get partial light in and out. But we were looking for something that was 78 inches, and that's what's cool about these shades is they are 78 inches. These windows in this old house are really, really hard to find shades for and not cost a fortune. And these are so reasonable, 60 or 70 bucks for 78-inch window shade, which is really great. All right, so I'm not sure if you can tell on the video, but on the outer edges where it's overlapped, this piece is overlapping the one behind it. It's a little bit darker. It adds depth and dimension to it. It really looks cool. There you go. You can kind of see a little bit better there. It has that darker outline. It just looks so much better than your average shade. In reality, this looks like a designer shade, and yet it's completely affordable. So we're going to show you how to install them really easy. So let's go do that. What you have to do is measure out about 3 inches from the wall, and then the desired depth that you want. These windows are about 9 inches deep. The walls are pretty thick. So we're recessing these just a bit. So but anywhere you want, you can place these. And then you just drill a simple hole up. Once you drill your starter hole, you take this bracket. It's just this little clip here. Give you anchors if you need them. We don't. There's solid material behind here. So we'll just put after we've got our pilot hole drilled, screw this up. Good and straight. Okay. Once you get both sides of those screwed in, all right, so then you just take these and you can get them on outside mount, which would be, from here to here, or inside mount. We chose inside. And then it is just as simple as putting the back of the shade in the back of that little bracket and then pushing up. First you want to center it good and then push up. One side in, other side in, remove the plastic and check that out. It is that easy to install. Really ridiculously easy. But we didn't want just a roller shade, and we couldn't find 78-inch shades under $150 or $200. It was really ridiculous. So then we found these zebra shades, and then you can do that half and half, let half the light in. If you want it completely open, then just open up sesame. They come in all different colors, and it has kind of a cloth feel, but it's probably vinyl. But it feels a little bit textured. These pieces are put on this fine netting or mesh. As far as our needs go, these things are a winner. So we'll have a link in the description below. I believe the company's Pinecrest. If you have tall windows like these 78 inchers, it's the jam. They've got a wide variety. Like, subscribe, share, and we will see you in the next video.